Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this doll is really special to me. He came from, as a happy mail, I couldn't believe it, from Gosha at Dolls, Trolls, and More, he is what spurred us to do the Boy Doll collab every month on the 25th. This month it falls on Christmas, so of course we're doing Christmas. Gosha and I asked Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse and Irene from Irene Huff's Dolly Space. I always think, that's my thought process, to get her name right. This month we're doing 18-inch dolls, and if you don't have a boy, dress a girl. We'd love for you to join in. What I'm planning to do is this little outfit here, but different. Come back on the 25th and you'll see just what I'm going to do. Be sure to visit Cynthia, Irene, and Gosha today. See what they're saying in their videos and what they're showing. Little peeks into their videos on Christmas Day. Thank you for watching. Thank you, ladies, for this collab. This is really fun, and the boy dolls often get neglected. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.